Hello and welcome to this tutorial on working with materials in pCon.planner Web. pCon.planner Web is the right solution for anyone who wants to plan flexibly in the browser without any installation required. In this video, we'll take a look at how you can further develop your floor plan from a design perspective. You'll learn how to apply colors and neutral materials to walls and floors, and how to integrate real manufacturer materials from the pCon.catalog into your planning. Let's start with the room elements. Walls and floors can be assigned colors and materials directly via the properties. To do this, simply select a wall. Here, you can first choose whether you want to edit wall side A or B. This allows you to design sides independently of each other. In the next step, you decide whether to work with a color or a material. In addition to freely definable colors, various material categories are available to you, such as wallpapers, wall finishes, wood, tiles, or stone. Once you select a category, you can choose a specific material within it. This allows you to design each surface in a targeted way, aligned with your overall concept. You also have the option to set a rotation angle. Especially for flooring materials such as parquet or tiles, this is an important tool to realistically represent the laying pattern. The rotation angle always applies only to the currently selected surface. Other surfaces using the same material remain unaffected. With these functions, you can quickly and effectively enhance rooms visually, deliberately neutral, and without any manufacturer reference. This is particularly suitable for early design phases or conceptual planning. If you want to further specify your planning with real manufacturer materials, the pCon.catalog comes into play. You can open it either via the Insert menu or directly via the sidebar. The pCon.catalog is a platform-independent portal that gives you access to a wide range of materials from real manufacturers. You can browse by categories or search specifically for certain manufacturers or materials. For the living area floor, for example, I'd like to use a parquet from Decorian Home and search for Nobi Floor. When you click on a material, you'll receive additional information and see which collection it belongs to. By clicking Download, the material is loaded and can then be placed in your planning. pCon.planner Web also shows you which surfaces materials can be assigned to. If the paint bucket icon appears, the material can be applied to that surface. If you see a red circle with a line through it, the action is not permitted. This applies, for example, to manufacturer products, as these cannot be modified. Custom shapes, on the other hand, can always be assigned materials. A major advantage of the pCon.catalog is that you can work with favorites lists across platforms. For this project, there is already a list with saved materials. This allows me to quickly access and apply them during planning. For example, I place a floor from interface in the bedroom and complement the walls with wall colors from Landy. If you come across a suitable material during your search, you can add it to a favorites list at any time using the heart icon. This helps you work in a structured way within your project and reach a coherent result more quickly. Even later in the planning process, it's easy to keep track. If you want to know which material is applied to a specific surface, simply hover over it with the mouse. You'll immediately see the manufacturer and the material used. With one click, you can jump directly back to the pCon.catalog. From there, you can download the material again, apply it to additional surfaces, or explore other materials from the collection. This makes it easy to compare different variants and develop alternative designs, entirely within the browser and without any media disruption. You now know how to work with colors, neutral materials, and real manufacturer data in pCon.planner Web. If you'd like a general overview of the application, we recommend our Getting Started video. There we guide you from launching the application and drawing floor plans through to further developing your planning. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them in the comments. Enjoy planning and experimenting.